Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and today I'm going to talk about Squalane Plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is a targeted serum that helps to visibly diminish the dark spots you see now, but also helps to prevent the future ones from forming. Dark spots are really tricky and they can affect everyone. It can be blemishes or hormones or sun exposure, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. That's what I get. That's when you have a dark spot after a pimple or wound heals on the skin. But this incredible serum combines 10% vitamin C with white shiitake mushroom extract and sugarcane derived squalane. Makes it super silky, fast absorbing serum that goes to work on your dark spots on day one. You want to apply this on clean skin, 1 to 2 pumps, after cleansing but before moisturizing, and use sunscreen in the morning. I've been using it every day for the past month and I love it. If you're sensitive or new to vitamin C in your serum, start with once or twice a week and you can work up to every single day. This is a new game changer in my routine and I know you're going to love it too.